I grew up in Kibera, Africa's largest slum. There was no running water and food was a luxury. I used to drink a lot of water to fill my belly. When I was 8 years old, I was a street boy. I ate from the garbage, I stole from tourists. I knew I had no future. This was my life. I knew I was going to die on the streets. I had no hope that tomorrow would be better than today. One day, I stole a single mango. People from the community came to beat me. They almost killed me. But there was one person who stopped and said, "Why are you killing this kid?" That person saved my life. And for the first time, I felt what it was like to have hope. One day, a priest gave me a dictionary and I taught myself to read using scraps of papers from the garbage. I read an autobiography of a man called Martin Luther King Jr. Dr. King was able to change people's lives, and I got the idea that maybe I could change people's lives too. When I was older, I got a job working at a factory. One day, while I was walking home, I bought a soccer ball for 20 cents. People in Kibera love soccer, and my friends and I would often gather to play. When we got together, we would talk about how to build a better Kibera and a better future. I saw a vision of Africa without urban slums, and that's what led me to start Shofco. The soccer ball came to present hope for me. It brought us together as a community, and we began to dream of building a better future. And so that's what Shofco stands for, shining hope for communities. I like to think that we ourselves are the hope for our own community. Since that time, my journey has been truly amazing.
Today, I stand before you as the first person from Africa's largest slum to graduate from an American university.
I graduated from college, met world leaders, CEOs, and pop stars. But nothing is more important than the work that began when I bought that soccer ball. And now, every day, Shofco helps to change the lives of over 1 million people in Kenya. We are providing clean water, health services, and food. But the biggest thing we are doing is we are giving people hope. Shofco was founded by people living in the struggle of poverty, believing that if they unite, they can transform their own lives. It's a lesson I learned from Dr. King. Change starts with you.